Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the add-ons for Google Docs and how to access them. If you're in a Google Doc and you've been working on it and it just seems like maybe it's not doing quite everything you would like it to do, or maybe it doesn't allow you to do quite everything you'd want to do, one way to get around that and maybe find a solution is to go to this extensions menu at the top and then go to Add-ons, and then click on Get Add-ons. When you click on Get Add-ons, the menu of add-ons available for Google Docs will pop up in a new window. There are a number of filters you can use to help you find what it is that you're looking for. So, here is everything that shows up when I open it. If I scroll down, you'll see that there's just a whole bunch of these add-ons. At the moment, because I accessed this from Google Docs, it's only showing me add-ons that will work in the document that I have open, which is a Google Doc. So these are only ones that will work with Google Docs. If I go to this little hamburger menu on the left, I can look for add-ons based on the results of using some filtering. Because we are a managed domain, there are some add-ons which have already been approved for us by the Technology Administration. If you want to know which ones they are, you can click on that, and those will pop up. These have already been pre-approved. You don't need any special permissions to install these. Or maybe you're looking for something a little bit different. Well, I want something specifically education related. So if I go to categories and I find education, do I want academic resources, teacher and admin tools? Let's check out teacher and admin tools. And then you'll notice there's a bunch more of these that show up. Now, because we are a managed domain, some of these add-ons may have to get approved by IT before you use them. So before you maybe try to install these, read the description, understand what it is that particular add-on will do, and then if you're interested in it, just send IT a help request or a quick email and let them know that you're interested in installing a specific add-on. Give them the name of the add-on, and then they can add that to the approved list. And once that's happened, not only you but anybody who finds it can also add it to their Google Docs. If you like it, maybe some of the other teachers you work with will also like it once you start bragging about what it does and how you did it. So these add-ons will allow you to extend the functionality of Google Docs beyond what Google Docs will normally do for you. So this is a way to supercharge your Google Docs and your workflow and processes and do some really great things.